Hi everyone, welcome to Rich Life Insider. Today I'm gonna talk about what are the most three most important steps to be a homeowner. So let's get it started. Okay, so this is from our previous slide. So basically, this is if you want to trade stocks for free commissions in US and you want to get a free stock, sign up with the link below. I'm gonna post the link down below. So if you sign up for it, you're gonna get a free stock with this link. Okay, so let's get to the step number three. So step number three is important, and most people don't know about this. Is the first step they have to take if they want to become homeowner. So basically, they need to get a credit card. So why credit card? Because with credit card, you have the credit score. Without a credit card, you do not have a credit score. Without a credit score, you do cannot borrow money from the bank to buy a home. If you have so much cash, you just want to buy with cash, you don't need to get a credit card. But I always advise everybody to use financing because if you borrow money from the bank, they will make sure that your home has insurance, make sure that your home has a flood insurance with all kinds of things. And they also make sure that your home appraised more than what you are going to borrow, what you gotta pay for. This is to protect their um, interest in the property because they are giving you the money. They're not gonna give you money, um, you know, to lose the money. Uh, if you have borrowed their money and they make everything to make sure that you're able to pay it back. So one of the thing is the value of the homes. Okay, so I'm gonna discuss more about it in other topics later. So if you need to get a credit card or a new credit card, I'm gonna post a link to a great credit cards below. It could change anytime depending on the promotions or depending on my research. If I think that this credit card is good, I'm gonna post it below. You might get a bonus for sign link, and I might also get some bonus too. Okay, so the is to build a better credit. The higher the credit score, the lower the interest rate. So you want to have your credit score as high as possible. So the 700 generally 730 and above, you get the best interest rate. But if you have 600 credit score, don't worry about it. You might be able to buy a home. So if you want to know uh, that if you are qualified for it, you can talk to a realtor, talk to a loan officer. You can ask me below. I'm also a realtor too. So yeah. Okay. The second most important step is to save money, and you also want to make more money. Right, there are down payment grants program available. In Texas, especially in Houston, we have first time home buyers down payment grants program up to 30,000. So even though you have I help many people buy their homes with little or no money using the down payment grants program. But even so, you need to have a few thousand to buy home because you have to do inspections, you have to pay for appraiser, you have to pay for option fees, all those little things. It probably cost about 1,000, 2,000. But you're buying a home. You're becoming homeowners. A few hundred thousand homes, pay a few thousand is nothing really. So save money and also make sure that you make more money. So yeah, and then the step number one, the most important step is to find a great realtor. A lot of people think, oh, I cannot afford to buy a home. I don't have money. But what they do not know is that there are so many down payment grants program available. So even if you do not have money, a great realtor may be able to find you a great down payment grant program to be able to buy a home. And if you don't have a great credit score, it's up to the lender to decide because there are so many things, so many factors they think about when they approve you for a loan. Uh, they look at your debt to income ratio, your assets, your liabilities, all those little things. So average buyers who has never owned a home have no idea if they are qualified for it or if they uh, the first step is to talk to a realtor. Hey, I want to buy a home. I'm thinking about buying a home. So what can I do? This is my situation. If you know sooner that you are qualified, you are approved to get a loan for 100,000, 200,000, whatever the amount, great. You don't need to worry about it because the best is not gonna approve you for a loan if they do not think that you are not able to pay back. So it's up to the bank to decide if you can afford to buy a home. It's not you. Of course, you need to be comfortable. Like even if the bank approve you for 200,000, let's say you might not be comfortable to buy 200,000 home or 500,000 home. You might want to buy just 150,000 home. Whatever the amount that might be. So if you know that you are not qualified, hey, you're not approved for a loan. Hey, what can I do? Is it because my income is so low? Is it because my credit score is low? Or is it because my debt is too high? Any other things. So what? And also, there's down payment grants programs require a few months, a few weeks to a few months to get you approved. So the sooner you talk to the realtor, real estate agents, the better you will be. So if you are thinking about buying a home anywhere in US or Canada, just PM me, message me on YouTube or comment below. I would love to talk to you. I would love to guide you along. Okay, so that's it for today. If you really like this video, make sure you subscribe for more about real estate. I'm going to be talking more about real estate as well. Um, so write down what you learned from this video. Comment below if you have any question. And one person with the most comments will get a free call. So I'm going to be having a free call very soon. So make sure you subscribe, share this video. I will talk to you later. Bye bye.